Looking for the best robotic window cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 robotic window cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Gladwell Gecko Robot Window Cleaner. This robotic window cleaner earns praise for being easy to use and compatible with most windows. Comes with a remote and access to a responsive app that allows you to control it from your smartphone. Offers 3 cleaning modes and reliable suction. Has a backup safety rope just in case it's needed. If you are looking for a robot with several features and impressive technology without breaking your budget, this is the one to choose. Tends to leave smudges if windows are very dirty or dusty. Can leave streaks if pad isn't wet enough. At number 2. Mamibot iGLASSBOT W120. A mid-priced cleaner that can be operated by remote or smartphone via an app. Has 2 cleaning modes and 2 types of cleaning pads, for wet and dry cleaning. Works well for tall and high windows. Cleans corners well. This model comes with both handy features as well as some potential issues. Although it's touted as a quiet machine, some owners complain that it is noisy. Has the tendency to fall off windows if pad is too wet or too dry. Replacement pads can be hard to find. At number 1. HOBOT 268 Window Cleaning Automatic Robot. Has a vacuum motor that attaches securely to windows and cleans faster than other models in its class. Does a good job cleaning corners. Has 3 cleaning modes and comes with a remote control. Includes 2 types of microfiber pads for cleaning wet and dry windows. From cleaning or polishing windows small and large, this well-made robotic cleaner works fast, a bonus that many consumers will appreciate. May leave streaks, especially if windows are extremely dirty. No app feature. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.